Hello friends, today we are talking about DIY mask, the face mask. We know so much, we have been hearing about these masks and know about them, when to wear and how to wear these. Today I'm making a DIY mask for dry skin. For this we will need a ripe banana. If you have a daughter who is willing to use the dry skin mask with you, you can double the quantity. I'm making it just for myself, so I'm taking around 1 tablespoon of banana, which is approximately this much. I don't mind ripe bananas, I'm gonna eat it later on. 1 tablespoon of ripe banana, and then add 1/4 teaspoon of olive oil. Just a little to it. And now smash the banana and the olive oil into a smooth paste. If you have any essential oil, you can add 2 to 3 drops of the essential oils to this mixture. I don't have any, so I'm just using the banana and the extra virgin olive oil. Give it a good smashing move. Smash it into a smooth paste. Now I'm going to use my mask. Now I'm going to use my mask brush. You can also use your finger to apply it to your clean face, and then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it with cold water. Pat dry, and then don't apply anything for an hour or two. You will feel that your skin is glowing and it will feel nourished. Banana contains age-fighting nutrients like vitamin C and potassium, along with other nutrients that helps to keep your skin fresh. So the next facial mask is for acne-prone skin. For this, we'll take cinnamon powder. I have this ground cinnamon and honey. So let's start making. In a bowl, we'll take 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder, and we'll take 1/2 teaspoon of honey. We're gonna make a paste of it, mix it, and get it ready. This mask with honey, 1/2 teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder is really good. It just closes the pores. For acne prone skin, use a brush or your fingers to put it all over your face. Let it dry for 15 to 18 minutes and then wash it with cold water and pat dry. Give your skin a rest for 1 hour to 2 hours. Next mask is for oily and combination skin. The mask for oily and combination skin is very interesting and a very soothing one. It gives a brightening effect also. Give it a try and you'll notice this. For this, we'll need a pinch of turmeric powder. It's a very powerful ingredient, as we all know. Just a pinch of it. While applying this, wear something like a t-shirt or tank top because it can stain the clothes, and also try to wash it off carefully and completely, otherwise it will also stain the towels. 1 teaspoon of honey, 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Now we'll add 1/2 teaspoon all-purpose flour, and now I'm gonna give it a mix. So after mixing all the ingredients, this is how this mask for oily and combination skin looks like. Apply it on your clean face and then leave it for 15 to 20 minutes and then wash it with cold water and then enjoy. You'll see the brightening effect of it. For another DIY mask, which is for anti-aging skin mask with retinol, we are using spinach. We all know that the spinach is incredibly beneficial green leafy vegetable. It contains vitamin C, E, and retinol. So with all that, we will need the spinach leaves in this, I am adding half teaspoon of honey to it. We'll add half teaspoon of olive oil in the blender, and then 1/4 teaspoon, which is quarter teaspoon of lemon juice, just a little. And now blend everything together. So friends, after blending, 1 tablespoon of chopped spinach leaves, half teaspoon of honey, half teaspoon of olive oil, and quarter teaspoon of lemon juice. This looks like this. Be very careful because it's a little runny. This is how it looks like. Be very careful while applying it on your face. Enjoy this anti-aging mask with retinol. Here are all the 4 face masks. This is with the banana, which we made for the dry skin, banana and olive oil. This one is for the acne prone skin with the cinnamon powder and honey. This one is for oily and combination skin with turmeric powder, honey, yogurt, and half teaspoon all-purpose flour. And then this one is with spinach, honey, yogurt, and lemon. I hope you guys enjoy these facial masks according to your skin types. Let your skin enjoy these DIY facial masks. Make these, enjoy these according to your skin type. I try to use these products which are relatively inexpensive and few ingredients which can be easily found in your kitchen for each mask. They're not too fancy, but they're effective. I usually try the banana and the olive oil works for my skin type. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Keep looking pretty. Even we are in quarantine, but when you look good, you feel good. Till next time, love you all. Bye-bye.